Welcome to PocketDump.com. I'm going to run through the functions on the Victorinox hiker. So this is a classic Swiss Army knife red with the Victorinox logo. It has a keyring attachment, so you can attach this to a bunch of keys or a lanyard. The scales are made from a high-impact ABS plastic called Cellidor. Function-wise, it has a solid Phillips screwdriver, a Reamer or punch which could be used as a needle punch thanks to this small hole. This section is sharpened, so you could use this to put holes in really tough material like leather. On the other side we have a razor sharp stainless steel blade measuring around 1.5 inches. There's also another stainless steel blade, but larger. This time it's 2.5 inches. And as neither of these blades are lockable or assisted and are both less than 3 inch, this is a legal UK carry. We then have a wood saw, which has some really nice teeth. And that measures almost 3 inches. It's a really solid saw. We then have a old school manual can opener. This section here is sharpened, so you can use that to lever your way around the top of a can to remove it. And the top is shaped into a small flat-headed screwdriver. It also features a bottle opener, and the tip of the bottle opener is shaped to be a slightly larger flat-headed screwdriver, and there's a recess just here which acts as a wire stripper. It has a pair of tweezers and a toothpick. A great all-round tool featuring a saw, very handy. The Victorinox hiker.